In the heart of the Tang dynasty, a time of prosperity and cultural exchange, the Silk Road was bustling with merchants and travelers. 98. Among the many wares being traded along this ancient network, none were more coveted than the exotic spices from the far reaches of the known world. 99. One merchant, Wei Yuan, traveled from Chang'an to Samarkand in search of the elusive saffron. 100. In the markets of Samarkand, he found a stall run by an old Uighur man who claimed to have the finest saffron in the land. 101. Wei Yuan, a connoisseur of spices, was skeptical and asked for a taste. 102. The old man handed him a small sample, and as Wei Yuan tasted it, his eyes widened in delight. 103. This was the saffron he had been searching for, a revelation that would change the course of Chinese cuisine forever. 104. With the precious spice in his possession, Wei Yuan returned to Chang'an, where he introduced saffron to the imperial court. 105. The imperial chef, Zhang Yanyuan, was inspired and created a dish that would become a classic, Rou Pao Cai, a spicy dish with saffron-infused cauliflower. 106. The dish was a hit, and soon, saffron became a staple in Chinese cuisine. 107. The Silk Road, a path once only for trade, became a highway of culinary influence, connecting the world through the shared love of food. 108. From samosas in India to paella in Spain, the dishes of the world were forever changed by the exchange along the Silk Road. 109. And so, the spice route continued, weaving a tapestry of flavors that transcended borders, bringing the world closer together one dish at a time. 110. Thus, the Silk Road's legacy lives on, not just in the trade of goods, but in the flavors that define our shared human history. 111.